Good morning, all of you. So I have started organizational structure. I have explained you the organizational structure. Then we have done the line organization, and I've explained you that what is line organization. Okay, line organization is nothing but the organization where there is a you can say which is a scalar change. Scalar change means for one authority there is a superior. Okay, someone is at the superior position, and for the same authority someone at the lower level. Is it clear? So means from top to bottom it is organized in a straight line. Okay, and there is only one person. It's not so that there are various individuals according to the specialization. Various people are there in various dimensions. That is not the condition of the line organization. Line organization is basically known as scalar change, okay, and which is connected from the higher level position to the lower level position in a vertical shape. Okay, and what is vertical? Something which is a straight line, vertical. Is it clear? So you need to understand the line organization means a direct chain of command through which authority flows from top to bottom. A direct chain of command. Okay, a person above that authority there is a superior, and that authority has to follow the command of the superior. Similarly, the same authority can give command to his junior. Okay, so it's a direct chain of command, and everyone has this duty to listen to the command of his superior or to follow the command of his superior under the line organization. Is it clear? Line organization is known as scalar or hierarchical organization because due to a series of uninterrupted vertical relationship. There is no interruption. It is a vertical relationship. Nobody from outside or nobody from any other department can come and can interfere in that. This is not possible under the line organization. Is it clear? Now, every superior has complete command over his subordinate. Every superior has a complete command over his subordinate under the line organization. Okay, then I have explained you the two types of line organization. I told you about the pure line organization, and then I told you about the departmental line organization. And in the pure line organization, activities at a particular level are similar. The activities means everyone has to perform the similar task. Like what is given in the figure, a production manager has two foremen. Both the foremen are going to perform the same task, are going to perform the similar activity. But when you say the departmental line organization, under departmental line organization, the activities or the tasks are different, and on the basis of different activities there was the establishment of department. But under the department, like for example, you see production manager, okay, here also, and production manager in the line or in the pure line organization also. But in the pure line organization, the production manager will have two subordinate, that is foreman A and foreman B, but both foreman A and foreman B are going to perform the similar task. Okay, now what do you mean by similar task? Means they are going to do spinning, weaving, dyeing, everything by themselves. Means the same, foreman A and foreman B are going to do all the things together by their own. But when you say departmental line organization, then they will divide the organization into different departments on the basis of the activity. Like production manager, here also if you see the diagram of the departmental line organization, then you will have first one is spinning. Somebody will handle the spinning. Under spinning, those workers are there under the department of spinning. They will do the similar task, that is spinning. Then other is weaving. Then other is what? Dyeing. So there are three different activities, and that's why under production manager there are three different departments. Is it clear? So departmental line organization means the enterprise is divided into different departments. How these enterprises are divided into different departments? According to the activities they have to perform. Those who have to perform spinning, they will be under spinning department. Those who have to perform weaving, they will be under weaving department. Those who will have to perform dyeing will be under the dyeing department. Means there is a complete division of department according to the different tasks or activities given to them. So line organization has two types: pure line organization and departmental line organization. Pure line organization don't follow specialization. Departmental line organization to some extent follow the specialization. That is the basic difference. Okay, means there is no division. Similar task is done by means a particular workers are going to do the similar kind of the activity or the task. That's why it's pure line organization. This is not the case with the departmental. Now, so basically we have completed line organization, meaning, is it clear? A direct chain of command where duties are followed from top to bottom. The superior have a direct control of command over their subordinate, and subordinate has to follow the command of the superior. This is called line organization. Then we have studied about pure line organization and departmental line. In both you have to draw the diagram, this chart which is given, that you have to draw. Now we need to study the merits and demerits of line organization. Okay, the merits and demerits of the line organization. So when you see the line organization, what is the best thing? That it is maintaining the simplicity. Simplicity, what does it mean? There is no chances of any complex situation. There is no chances of misunderstanding. There is no chances of rivalry. Reason being, it's a simple organization where a superior has a direct control of command over his subordinate, and subordinate knows that from whom he has to take the order, and the superior knows that for whom, to whom he has to give the order. So the first merit, so we are going to start with the merits of line organization. Now underline in your book, all of you, underline in your book. I am going to read the lines, and only that much line you have to write. And one thing, let me tell you, in commerce you cannot write in your own words. Okay, whatever is given in the book, I am just making it cut short for you. So under the merits of line organization, you see the first point, simplicity. I am reading the line which you have to underline. Under simplicity, you have to underline, line organization is the simplest and the oldest form. This is first thing, is the simplest, because it's a direct chain of command where everyone has to perform their duty from top to bottom, where everyone has to follow the command from top to bottom. So that is why it is the simplest form, and it is also the oldest form. So you have to underline this. Line organization is the simplest and the oldest form. Then after that, it is easy to establish and simple to operate. All right, it is very easy to establish. Okay, it is easy to establish. Line organization is easy to establish. Okay, and simple to operate. Then next line, which is very important, due to direct relationship, the line of authority and responsibility are easily understood by employee. Every employee knows clearly his position in the organization. So there is no chances of any kind of the misunderstanding or any kind of the rivalry between the different positions in the organization, because every position knows their responsibility. Every position knows from whom they have to take the order and how they have to follow the order. Everyone knows. So the first advantage of line organization, this is maintaining the simplicity. What you have to write, I'm reading again. Line organization is the simplest and the oldest form. It is easy to establish and simple to operate. And due to the direct relationship, the line of authority and responsibility are easily understood by employees. Okay. Then every employee knows clearly his position in the organization. Second advantage, quick decision, full authority is given. It's a line organization from top to the bottom, and every position has given the full power to take the decision. Means every position need not have to wait for the management, need not have to wait for the other other department or other individuals so that they can take the decision. There is no such thing is there. Under line organization, every position has a complete autonomy, has the complete power. And if somebody has a complete power, means there is no question that in that organization any kind of the delay will be there in taking the decision. No question of having a delay. So what is the second merit of line organization? Underline. Quick decision. They take the decision quickly. Why? You see the point and underline. As each executive has full authority for a job. Full authority means as each executive of the line organization has the full power, complete power of his job, then required decisions can be made easily and quickly. Since every executive has the complete authority, has the complete power for a job, that is why whatever decision need to be taken can be made easily and quickly. Is it clear? Till here, till quickly in the second merit. Then after that, the last line you see. No staff experts are to be consulted while taking decision. This is also very important. कोई staff, कोई expert की राय लेने की जरूरत नहीं होती है यहाँ पे. Under the line organization, every executive of the line organization have the full authority, and that is why they take the decision very easily and quickly. No expert suggestion need to be taken here. So this is the second